Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the good habits and morning rituals for daily success. So, if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell because I've got plenty of videos to come and you don't want to miss out on them. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So you have to set your mental state right in the morning because this is what's going to set you for the day to come. And I've studied a lot of successful people and all of them have some sort of morning ritual that they always do that gets them pumped for the day and ready to get to work. So it can depend on whoever it is. Some people like reading in the morning for like an hour. Maybe it's something motivating, a book, empowering books. And there are a ton of different things, but if you do all sorts of different things in the morning and you don't want to do anything, you will not want to do anything for the rest of the day. For me, when I get up in the morning, I head straight to the shower, and once I've done that, I start recording my videos. And I always do this because that sets me up for the day. That gets me pumped to get ready to continue my day, to edit the videos and do all these things. So it really depends on who you are, what you prefer, but you have to get some sort of ritual to get done in the morning. The next thing is you want to maybe drink some more water, maybe eat healthier foods, or it really depends. For me, I don't eat in the morning because I do intermittent fasting, which helps me up focus way more on what I'm doing on my videos. So I don't eat in the morning, but maybe you do eat in the morning and you feel okay, but you want to eat healthy foods because if you eat foods that have a ton of fat in them and you do that right in the morning, you start eating donuts, then you will struggle so much more to actually get things done because all the blood from your brain will go straight into your stomach to be able to consume the food that you actually ate. But if you eat lighter foods that are really healthy, like fruits and things like that, that is how you are going to be able to focus way more on what you actually want to do rather than on digesting food. So this is why I don't even eat in the morning. You can drink some more water. That's something I always do. I actually have a glass of water right here. And this is something I always do. I always drink a ton of water in the morning because that gets your brain going and that helps you fuel up for the rest of the day. So remember to never eat fat foods. Like you can do that. I do that personally, but do that in the evening when you have nothing left to do because that will just kill your productivity for the day. The next thing is you want to plan everything in advance. When I get up in the morning, as I said, I go to the shower and then record my videos. But I wouldn't be able to record my videos without having any notes of what I'm going to say because that is just how it is. I just have to plan my videos because you won't be able to get the ideas right like that and it's just going to go through. So you have to plan everything. I have my videos set the day before. That's like the last thing I do. I always note what I'm going to record the next day because that gets you ready and you know what you're going to do. Because if you don't know what you're going to do and you just think of that when you get up in the morning, it's going to be way harder to actually be productive in the morning or during the day, as a matter of fact. So that is something that you have to focus on. All these things are really important. If you don't do any of these, that is why you're not being productive. Like that is the reason. So you really need to focus on that. I really hope that you got some value in this video because I always try to bring you as much value as possible. So if you did get any value, make sure that you do hit that thumbs up button, because it helps the video so much and I always appreciate that. Also leave me a comment, because I always appreciate your feedback. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time that I put a video out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.